Ever wondered just how many types of seafood there are in the world? Well, buckle in, because today we're embarking on a culinary journey across the 7 seas to explore the main varieties of seafood. From shellfish to cephalopods, there's a vast ocean of flavors waiting to be discovered, and we'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with seafood, so don't hesitate to subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments, and spread the word. Prepare to dive into the ocean of knowledge about seafood. First up on our list, we have the ever-popular shellfish. A term that encompasses a wide range of sea creatures. Shellfish aren't actually fish. Rather, they're a type of invertebrate, an animal without a backbone, that live in marine or freshwater environments. Let's dive a bit deeper and explore the subtypes of shellfish, starting with crustaceans. Crustaceans are characterized by their hard exoskeleton and jointed limbs. This group includes some of the most well-loved seafood items, such as lobsters and crabs. Lobsters, with their large claws and sweet, tender meat, are considered a delicacy in many cultures. Crabs, on the other hand, are known for their distinctive taste and are often enjoyed in a variety of dishes, from crab cakes to spicy crab curries. Next, we have mollusks, another subtype of shellfish. Mollusks can be further divided into bivalves, gastropods and cephalopods. For now, we'll focus on the first two. Bivalves, as the name suggests, have a 2-part hinged shell and include clams, oysters and mussels. Clams, with their mild, sweet flavor, are a staple in dishes like clam chowder or pasta alle vongole. Oysters, on the other hand, are often eaten raw on the half shell, served with a simple squeeze of lemon or a dash of hot sauce. Gastropods, which include sea snails and abalones, are also part of the mollusk family. They might not be as popular as their bivalve and crustacean cousins, but they are a delicacy in many parts of the world. Abalones in particular are prized for their rich, buttery flavor and tender texture. Now, shellfish aren't just about their unique flavors and textures. They're also a great source of lean protein, vitamins and minerals, making them a healthy choice for those looking to incorporate more seafood into their diet. So the next time you enjoy a lobster bisque or a clam chowder, remember, you're savoring the taste of shellfish, a world of diverse flavors, textures and culinary experiences, all wrapped up in a hard, protective shell. Moving on, we delve into the diverse world of fish. This underwater realm is teeming with life, offering us a variety of edible delights, and when it comes to the main types of fish that grace our plates, they can broadly be classified into 2 categories: saltwater fish and freshwater fish. Let's start with saltwater fish. These are the ones that call the vast oceans their home. They're often characterized by a robust flavor profile, and they're the stars of many culinary creations worldwide. A prime example is the salmon, a popular choice for many due to its rich, buttery taste and numerous health benefits. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, making it a nutritious addition to any meal. Next, we have tuna, a staple in sushi rolls and poke bowls. Tuna is a versatile saltwater fish that can be enjoyed raw, seared or canned. It's a lean source of high-quality protein and contains a good amount of heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Moving to freshwater fish, they typically inhabit rivers, lakes and streams. They're often milder in taste compared to their saltwater counterparts, which makes them a great canvas for a variety of flavors and cooking methods. Trout, for instance, is a freshwater fish that's often grilled, smoked or baked. It's a lean source of protein and packed with essential nutrients like B vitamins, potassium and selenium. There's no denying the importance of fish in our diets. They're not only a source of high-quality protein, but also provide a wealth of essential nutrients. From the robust flavors of saltwater fish to the milder taste of freshwater fish, there's a type of fish to suit every palate. So the next time you're pondering over what to have for dinner, consider this: a piece of grilled salmon with a side of lemon butter sauce, or perhaps a hearty tuna salad, or even a smoked trout with a drizzle of olive oil. The possibilities are endless. Whether it's a sushi roll or a grilled trout, fish certainly makes a splash in our diets. Next, we journey to the depths of the sea to meet the cephalopods. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly are these creatures with such a fascinating name? Well, let me enlighten you. Cephalopods are a group of marine creatures that are known for their intelligence, agility, and, most notably, their impressive ability to camouflage. In this group, we find some of the most intriguing and well-known inhabitants of the ocean, like squids, octopuses, and cuttlefish. Let's dive a little deeper into each of them, shall we? First, we have squids. These swift swimmers are usually torpedo-shaped and have a set of short arms and 2 long tentacles. Squid can range in size from just a few inches to over 40 feet long. They are known for their ability to quickly change color, a skill they use to communicate with each other and to hide from predators. Next, we meet the octopuses. These creatures are arguably the stars of the cephalopod group, known for their intelligence and flexibility. Did you know that an octopus has 3 hearts and blue blood? Also, they are masters of disguise, able to change not only their color, but also their texture and shape to blend seamlessly with their surroundings. Lastly, we have the cuttlefish. These cephalopods may be less well known, but they are no less fascinating. They have a unique internal shell called a cuttlebone, which helps them control their buoyancy. Like their squid and octopus cousins, cuttlefish are also masters of color change, using this ability for communication and mating displays. But cephalopods aren't just interesting to study, they're also a beloved part of many cuisines around the world. Whether it's calamari rings, octopus sushi, or cuttlefish ink pasta, these creatures are as delicious as they are captivating. So let's raise our forks to the cephalopods, the squids, the octopuses, and the cuttlefish. They're not only the acrobats of the sea, but also the chameleons, constantly changing, always surprising, and truly a testament to the wonders of sea life. Cephalopods, the masters of camouflage and a true delicacy of the sea. Finally, let's not forget the other members of the seafood family. As we delve deeper into the ocean's bounty, we encounter some rather unusual yet equally delectable seafood varieties. Let's explore some of these lesser-known but no less tasty delights from the deep. Firstly, let's take a moment to appreciate the sea urchin. This spiky creature might not look particularly appetizing from the outside, but within its prickly exterior lies a delicacy known as uni in Japanese cuisine. The roe, or eggs of the sea urchin, have a rich, briny flavor with a creamy texture that's often described as the foie gras of the ocean. Served fresh or incorporated into sushi, the sea urchin is a unique treat for the adventurous palate. Next, we have the sea cucumber. Now, this isn't your garden variety cucumber. This marine creature is a type of echinoderm and is found on the ocean floor worldwide. In many Asian cultures, particularly China, sea cucumbers are highly prized for their gelatinous texture and are often used in soups, stews, and stir-fries. They're believed to have medicinal properties too, making them a popular ingredient in traditional Chinese medicine. And finally, let's not overlook the eel. This snake-like fish is a staple in many cuisines around the world. In Europe, smoked eel is a traditional delicacy, while in Japan, grilled eel or unagi is a popular dish. The meat of the eel is firm and sweet with a high fat content that makes it incredibly flavorful when cooked. It's also packed with beneficial omega-3 fatty acids, making it not just tasty, but healthy too. These examples just scratch the surface of the vast array of seafood types that our oceans have to offer. Each one has its unique taste and texture, offering a culinary adventure for those willing to step off the beaten path. So the next time you find yourself at a seafood restaurant, why not venture beyond the familiar and sample some of these lesser-known delights of the deep? These lesser-known seafood types are no less delicious and certainly worth a try. So there we have it, a quick dive into the vast ocean of seafood types. We've journeyed through the diverse world of shellfish, exploring the delightful flavors of crustaceans like lobsters, crabs and shrimp, and mollusks such as oysters, clams and mussels. We've navigated the broad category of fish, a group teeming with variety from the sturdy salmon, the versatile cod, to the rich and flavorful tuna. We've also delved into the intriguing world of cephalopods, a group that includes the delectable squid, octopus and cuttlefish, each with their unique taste and texture. And let's not forget about the other types of seafood that we've touched upon, from the often overlooked sea urchin to the delicately flavored scallops. Each category of seafood offers a unique gastronomic experience, and within each category, the variety is simply astounding. It's a testament to the incredible diversity of life that exists beneath the waves. There's always something new to discover, some new flavor to savor. It's a culinary adventure that's as exciting as it is delicious. But our exploration doesn't end here. There's a whole ocean of seafood types out there waiting to be discovered. So I encourage you to continue exploring, to dive deeper into the world of seafood, to try different types, different recipes, and different cooking methods. Remember, the ocean's bounty is vast and varied, so why not cast a wider net and try something new the next time you're in the mood for seafood?